Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy S24. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then next one is on top of the screen. There's also this thing, but that's the microphone. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, which confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.